In this video, I'll be talking about Windows Accessibility Magnifier Tool available within Windows 11 operating system. Now, Magnifier Tool basically makes part or all of screen bigger. It is a part of the accessibility tool set within the operating system. It is basically used to see the text or images better. So we have an application named as magnifier. So you can use that magnifier tool to magnify the text or images. Now it can be used by anyone. Now there are few shortcuts, like if you want to open the app without even going through the UI, you just press Windows button and plus. So it is a shortcut to open the application. Once you're within the application, there are other commands which I'm going to demonstrate, like Control Alt minus to change the magnification, Control Alt I to invert the color, and Control Alt F for full screen magnification. So you get this magnifier toolbar and you can start the magnifier application to view the text or images. Now, let me X out of the screen and let me show you the settings. So this is the settings for Windows 11. So under accessibility, one of the tool is magnifier. So magnifier magnifies the reading and zoom increment. So if I click over here, I get a various settings. So magnifier, press the Windows logo key, the plus sign to turn on the magnifier, and Windows key escape to turn it off. So I can by default now turn it on, or I can just press the key. So if I press Windows plus, the magnifier tool will open up. So as you see, the magnifier tool has opened up. And if I press Windows escape, that magnifier tool disappears. Now we can set different zoom levels. So zoom 100, 200, 300, 400, whatever we want. So that's the default zoom level. And then you can extend further from that. There is a zoom increment. So if you want 100%, 150, 200, you can set that value. uh, Default view, so whether it's a lens view or a docked view or a full screen view. And you get to know more about the magnifier application if you click on this link. So let's look into how we can use the magnifier application. Now, magnifier application, so in Windows, if I just click on the start button and type in magnifier, I will get to see an application over here, which is part of the system. So I can just do a right click and pin to the start menu. Now I've already pinned it. That's why the pin to start doesn't appear. I get unpin from start. Now I'll show you where did I pin that. So magnifier. So this is like a shortcut for you to use. Or alternatively, you can just press Windows plus and the magnifier tool will be available. Let's open some document. So I have this Copilot Studio licensing guide. So let's assume I want to read this document. And remember, this document is in a light mode, right? So you can see all the background as white color. Now, if I want to open the magnifier application, I'll click on the magnifier application, and then from here I can start magnifying the content. So if this text is too small to read, I'll just increase the magnification. So as you see, now I can start reading it more clearly. And if I hover my mouse, I can navigate to various part of the screen. So as you see, I can navigate to various part of the screen just by hovering my mouse, and I can read through the content. Now for the magnification to again increase, I'll just click on plus and then the magnification increases by 100%. So as you see, 500, 400, 300, 200, and this is the 100% level. Now this magnifier tool, as you see over here, it has this Control Alt minus to change the magnification. So if I just press Control Alt minus, and again, it's like kind of a toggle. So I can do that toggling by Control Alt minus. So I'm doing a Control Alt minus. So I'm pressing that key in the keyboard. Now, magnifier tool has other things also. Like say, take for example, if you have magnified it, okay, but still the background is white. Now you don't like white background, or maybe you have difficulty reading through the white background. So then you need to invert the color. So in order to invert the color, there is a shortcut, Control Alt I. So I'll just press Control Alt I, and then it will invert the color. So if you see your screen, all the colors are inverted, and that's why you will see the UI as what is displayed over here. And if you want to again toggle back, just press Control Alt I. So let me show you the magnification in 100. So I'm in magnification 100, and now if I press Ctrl Alt I, so it is not magnified now, but still I can invert the color. So as you see, all the icons have turned into that inverted color. um, you know, and now the magnifier toolbar, which you see over here, it has couple of other things. So let me first revert back to the normal screen. So Control Alt I, and now I'm in the proper 100% magnification. The magnifier tool comprises of a narrator as well. So if you see over here, you see the play button and you see the play pause. So you can press Control Alt Enter and then you can play or pause. So what it does is basically it reads the screen. So let's assume my cursor is over here. If I press play,
Copilot Studio Agent Activity Map.
so it will start reading or narrating through the content. Okay, so it has got a screen reader embedded within the application. So let me click here again.
Copilot Studio Agent Activity Map. When Copilot Studio agents are tested, all agent activity is visible.
And now, so you get a magnifier tool as well as the screen reader capability. Now you have other options over here. So you can start click and then say read from here. So if you want to read from or you want to skip some other sections, just select something over here and you click on read from here.
Read from here.
And now once you click on it, you need to select the text. So I'll click over here and then I'll select the text.
Customer at PPAC in the Billing License Copilot Studio Summary tab.
Yeah, so it will start reading from that specific line or that specific selection. Now if you want to go to the settings, you can go into the settings from here. So again, just to reiterate what we have done, we have seen the magnifier tool. Now in order to trigger the magnifier tool, you can either type in the start button magnifier, or you take that application, pin it to your start bar, or just press Windows plus. So Windows plus will activate that magnifier tool, and then from here you can start incrementing the zooming for your magnifying tool. Also you can do a toggling of magnifying tool. So Control Alt minus will toggle the magnification, whatever magnification which you have set, and also Control Alt I will invert the color within the magnification tool. So that's it, folks. This is all about magnifying